Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something really exciting to share with all you music enthusiasts out there.
If you're into techno music or just looking for a cool and unique musical instrument, you're in for a treat.
Today, we're diving deep into the Stylophone Pink, the original pocket electronic synthesizer special edition.
This isn't just any synthesizer. It's, dare I say, the best synthesizer for techno music available in the market.
Alright, let's kick things off by talking about the Stylophone Pink itself.
This is not your typical synthesizer. It's a pocket-sized powerhouse that's perfect for on-the-go music creation.
Its sleek pink design immediately catches your eye, and trust me, it's not just a pretty face.
It's packed with features that make it a must-have for any music producer.
I mean, look at this beauty.
The Stylophone Pink is a homage to the 1967 classic, and it's been updated with a modern twist.
The compact design makes it incredibly portable, and it fits right into your pocket.
It's made of sturdy metal, ensuring durability, and it's clear that the manufacturers put a lot of thought into its aesthetics.
It's not just a musical instrument, it's a piece of art. Now, let's talk about the features that make this synthesizer stand out from the rest. First and foremost, it offers 3 octaves of musical bliss. You've got a tuning knob on the bottom that allows you to fine-tune the stylophone or create those awesome pitch bend effects that techno music lovers crave. But what really matters is the sound, right? Well, the Stylophone Pink doesn't disappoint.
It produces that classic analog synthesizer sound that's perfect for techno.
It's buzzy, it's spacey, and it's incredibly unique.
And guess what? It's got an optional vibrato effect that takes your music to the next level.
You can even connect headphones for those late-night jam sessions without disturbing anyone.
When it comes to performance, this little synth delivers big. It's got a built-in speaker with volume control, so you can crank up the sound and get lost in your music. The line out allows you to connect it to other gear or record your tracks. It's versatile, and that's what makes it perfect for techno producers.
Now, here's the kicker.
The Stylophone Pink, the original pocket electronic synthesizer special edition, is available at an amazing price.
At just $34.95, it's an absolute steal. Trust me, you won't find a better deal on a synth that's tailored for techno music like this one.
In conclusion, if you're a techno music enthusiast or just looking for a unique and portable synthesizer, the Stylophone Pink is the answer to your musical dreams. Its classic sound, modern features, and affordable price make it the best synthesizer for techno available in the market. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this little pink wonder will elevate your music game. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to get your hands on the Stylophone Pink, the original pocket electronic synthesizer special edition today. Don't miss out on the opportunity to create techno masterpieces with this fantastic instrument. And, if you've enjoyed today's review, don't forget to like, subscribe. Hit that notification bell to stay updated with more exciting product critiques right here on Product Critique. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, keep making music and exploring the world of amazing products with Product Critique. Take care, everyone.